Do this if you want to speak Igbo language fast. It works for any language as well. It's one of the greatest hack there is for language learning. I don't know why nobody's talking about it, but this is what you need to do. Bring out your smartphone and record yourself in your voice recorder speaking your target language. If you can introduce yourself in Igbo, record yourself introducing yourself in Igbo, and then play that recording over and over and over again anytime you need to practice the language. You don't even need to be speaking alongside, right? But you need to be hearing your own voice, how it sounds, what you're saying in the target language. This is going to change the game for you in a very dramatic way. All of you who say, I can understand, but I cannot speak, this is what you need to start doing. Listening to yourself in your target language helps build familiarity, and it will help you build confidence. You already know how you're going to sound when you say, my name is Prince, because you've said it, you've heard yourself say it 1,000 times. And this will help make the language feel more natural and native to you instead of feeling like a foreign language, right? So you want to get materials that you're interested in, phrases, words that you want to learn and master how to say, and then record yourself saying those in your target language, in this case, Igbo language, and then play that recording over and over again, at least once, twice every day. Listen to yourself speak Igbo, and that would be one of the most amazing exercises you could ever do. It works for every language. And if you're learning Igbo language, then you should consider joining our Street Igbo Bootcamp. It's starting this Saturday, running for 8 weeks, and all classes are recorded. We have the website igboprince.com where you sign up. The Q&A, every question you need is there, and the schedule, everything is there on the website. And if you have anything that is not answered there, you could send me a DM and I'll be glad to answer you.